Okay, to begin with, we're going to check out the bottom of this loin. Looks pretty good. There is very little I would remove from there. This silver skin needs to be removed using a boning knife. This is a Mundial, very good quality. They're on sale at your sponsor. Okay, it's easy to get the tip underneath that pork, just like that. Remove as little meat as possible. And if you get a little bit, you can always come back and get it later with a good quality knife like this. Let's see what we got. There we go. Clean pork loin. Now at this point, because of the way I'm preparing it, and this thing is so big, I'm going to cut it in half like this, 2 even pieces, and beautiful. And each piece will cook a little bit faster like that in my pan. Okay. Okay, now this pork goes right here on top of these apples. This recipe will continue. We're making a very quick barbecue rub. This is a dry rub. We're starting with some sea salt right here, black pepper, paprika, orange infused sugar, garlic, that's granulated garlic, rosemary, oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, we take all of these ingredients and we just mix them together. And that right there is an amazing dry rub. Yeah. You can score all of these items at your sponsor right there. And stay tuned for the next recipe. We're going to be doing a barbecue pork. So I'm back once again with this pork loin, and we've made this dry rub. Check out the other videos for the cleaning of this or preparing the dry rub. We're going to put some of this dry rub on top of each pork like this. Alright, and we're going to rub it in. Turn it over and repeat. I'm going to cheat a little and use some liquid smoke. Liquid smoke adds a lot of flavor. And since it's still cold outside, we're not going to be cooking over hardwood, so a little bit of liquid smoke right on the top of each one of these. Wow, it's going to be good. Alright, I've got a preheated oven. I'm going to be roasting this in a very hot oven, maybe 400 Fahrenheit, till it browns. I'll be back. Oh yeah, and after about 30 minutes, we're going to reduce the temperature and let these slow cook.